I took on the 7-day AI dropshipping challenge to see if the hype was real. The idea, let AI handle everything: store setup, product selection, ad creation. My goal? Start from scratch and see if I could build a profitable store in just 1 week, using only AI tools. I promised full transparency. Every tool, every dollar spent, every result, good or bad. There's a lot of noise online about getting rich quick with AI, but few show the real process. I wanted to cut through the hype and create a realistic guide for beginners with small budgets. The plan tackle a new business step each day, relying on AI for the heavy lifting. But I also wanted to see where human input was still needed. Could AI really understand what makes a customer buy? This wasn't just about profit, it was about learning the true limits and strengths of AI in e-commerce. By the end, I wanted to know, can a student or busy worker follow these steps and build a side hustle? With a small budget and a lot of curiosity, I dove in. Here's what happened. To keep things fair and beginner-friendly, I set 3 strict rules. First, only use publicly available AI tools for every major task, no secret hacks. Second, spend money only on essentials: Shopify, a domain, and a $100 ad budget. No fancy software, no expensive themes, just the basics. Third, make the process copyable for total beginners. No promoting to my audience, no technical tricks. Every step had to be simple and accessible. The goal, create a blueprint anyone could follow to test if AI dropshipping is real or just hype. These rules kept me honest and focused. With the ground rules set, it was time to let AI take the wheel. The countdown began. Day 1. Find a niche and build the store. Tasks that usually paralyze beginners. I asked ChatGPT for 20 beginner-friendly dropshipping niches with passionate communities and problem-solving products. The AI suggested options like eco-friendly pet supplies and home organization gadgets. I narrowed it down with AI's help, focusing on home organization, perfect for visual ads and social media. In under 30 minutes, I had my direction: clever home organization gadgets. Next, I used durable AI to build the website. I brainstormed the name Orderly Oasis with AI, and the builder generated a full site: homepage, about, contact, color scheme, and text in minutes. The result, a clean, professional-looking site, but a bit generic. The structure was solid, and it saved me hours of work. For day 1, I had a niche and a fully built website, without the usual headaches. AI had already saved me a ton of time and energy. Now, it was time to make the store feel real. On to customization. Day 2 was all about turning a generic AI store into a trustworthy brand. First, I used ChatGPT to rewrite the homepage and About Us, focusing on customer benefits and trust. Next, I ditched the stock photos and used Midjourney to generate unique, high-quality lifestyle images. Modern, organized spaces that matched my brand. I created a simple logo with an AI logo maker and added a free shipping banner. I used ChatGPT to generate clear shipping, refund, and contact policies, crucial for customer confidence. I simplified the menu to home, products, and contact for easy navigation. Every change was about building trust and making the site user-friendly. By the end of day 2, Orderly Oasis felt like a real brand, not just an AI template. Customization, guided by AI, was essential. AI can build the house, but you have to make it a home. The store was ready for the next step. Time to set up the backend. Day 3. Backend setup, the engine of the business. I signed up for Shopify, connected my custom domain, and set up payment options with Shopify Payments. Accepting all major cards and quick checkouts like Apple Pay was key for conversions. For shipping, I offered free shipping to the US, factoring the cost into product pricing. I installed a dropshipping app like CJ Dropshipping or Zendrop to import products and automate fulfillment. Orders would go straight from my supplier to the customer, hands off. The backend setup took a few hours but was straightforward. By the end of day 3, the store was fully operational and ready for sales. The boring stuff was done. Now, it was time to find the perfect product. The real test was about to begin. Let's see if AI could pick a winner. On to product research. Day 4. Product research. The make or break moment. I asked ChatGPT for 10 winning home organization products, must solve a problem, have a wow factor, not be in local stores, and cost under $15. The AI's list included a wall-mounted vacuum holder, rotating spice rack, and under sink organizer. One stood out, the cable management box. Solves cable clutter, perfect for before and after ads, and not common in stores. I found a reliable supplier for $12, including shipping, and set my price at $29. 9. Leaving room for profit after ads. I imported the product with one click, but the default description was awful. Just technical jargon. Customers want benefits, not specs. I knew I'd need to rewrite the product page to focus on solving problems, but the main task was done. A promising product, good margin, and a reliable supplier, all thanks to AI prompts. The foundation was set. Next, make people want to buy. Time to optimize the product page. Let's turn browsers into buyers. Day 5. Transform the product page into a sales machine. I rewrote the copy with ChatGPT, focusing on benefits, peace of mind, safety, a tidy home, instead of boring features. I asked AI for 10 compelling benefits and used them to structure the page. I imported real reviews, with photos, from the supplier's page for social proof. Trust badges like secure checkout and money-back guarantee were created with an AI image tool. I added high-quality GIFs showing the product in action, messy cables disappearing in seconds. Every element was designed to answer objections and build trust. The page was now ready for traffic. The store looked legit, the offer was clear, and the product page was persuasive. It was time to launch ads and see if anyone would buy. The pressure was on. Let's advertise. Day 6. Advertising. The graveyard of most dropshipping dreams. My strategy. Test small, test fast, and cut losers quickly with my $100 budget. I chose TikTok ads for their low cost and video focus. Using an AI video generator, I created 3 15-second ads, before and after, problem solution, and design focused. The AI edited clips, added music, and text overlays, 3 ads in under an hour. I launched 3 campaigns at 10-day each, targeting US adults interested in home improvement and tech. The goal: gather data, not get rich overnight. 2 ads flopped, no add to carts, so I killed them fast. The before and after ad performed best. People added to cart, and then my first sale. I spent $20 on ads and made a $29.99 sale. Not profitable yet, but proof of concept. Ruthless testing and quick pivots were key. AI made ad creation and testing fast and cheap. The experiment was working. 1 day left. Could I turn a profit? Time for the final results. Day 7. Results time. I put my remaining $70 ad budget behind the winning video ad and let it run. By midnight, the challenge was over. Final stats: 852 visitors, 5 orders, $149.95 in revenue. Costs: $100 ads, $60 product cost, $7 Shopify, $15 domain, total $182. Net result: a $32 loss. But was it a failure? Not at all. 5 sales in a week with a brand new store and tiny budget is a win for any beginner. The key: I found a winning product and ad and now have a repeatable system. The initial loss was just the cost of learning and data. AI was a massive accelerator. Store built in minutes, product found in an hour, ads created instantly. But human input was still crucial. Writing prompts, customizing, optimizing, and managing the budget. AI is a powerful tool, not a magic button. You still need to be the strategist and decision maker. The experiment proved, with the right approach, AI can launch your business, if you're willing to learn and adapt.